Hi everyone, welcome back to Miwa Japanese Cooking. Today we are making a simple and delicious Japanese breakfast using just one pan. Let's get started. Japanese breakfast is packed with nutrients and will give you the energy you need to start your day. The process is so simple. Just chop, steam in one pan, and season them. I love steaming for many reasons, but today I'll share 3 key benefits. Number 1, keeps more nutrients. For example, boiling vegetable can lose 40 to 50% of vitamin C, while steaming only loses about 20%. It helps preserve vitamins and minerals much better. Number 2, prevents harmful advanced glycation end products, also known as AGEs. This is my favorite. Have you ever heard of AGEs? AGEs are harmful compounds that form when protein and fats react with the sugars at high temperatures, especially during the dry heat cooking. These compounds are linked to inflammation, aging, and various chronic diseases. Steaming uses gentle, moist heat, which minimizes the formation of AGEs, making meals healthier and supporting long-term well-being. Number 3, uses less oil. No oil is needed for steaming, making it a lighter way to cook. Plus, it can reduce excess fat from meat. With that being said, give steaming a try. It's simple, healthy, and delicious. So, while it's steaming, let's make a sausage and dressing. For salmon, this time I'm opting for miso sauce as I showed earlier, but you can change up to any sauces you might already have on hand. That's the beauty of this recipe. Just changing the sauce or dressing can completely transform the flavor even with the same cooking method. For example, if you have a chili paste in your fridge, you can swap it in the place of soy sauce for a delicious twist. You can also use any vegetable you have on hand. Swap spinach or bok choy for napa cabbage, or try sweet potatoes instead of pumpkin. With a little creativity, this becomes a perfect fridge cleanup recipe. We actually made this dish in our membership in November, and then some of the members told me that the cleanup was so easy, and that's the best part of this one pan cleanup method. I totally agree with that. Is anyone here looking to practice a portion control? I'll be able to make eating until 80% full a habit. The reason is simple. It's all about plating method called Ichiju Sansai. Serve small portions in tiny bowls and plates and take your time to savor each bite, making your eating experience mindful. And that's all it takes. Now, let me show you how you can plate your Ichiju Sansai meal. First, let's plate the salad on a small dish. We've recently added many new small plates, some with the beautiful patterns and others simple yet uniquely textured or shaped. Since they are all handmade, each one has a subtle, unique charm to it. Today, I'll choose this calm color to complement the vibrant pumpkin and carrot. Next is a soup. Our online shop has many soup bowls, including sets and dishwasher-safe options. Which one do you like the best? Let me know in the comment. The rice bowl. I typically serve about 150 grams, which is about just under half pound per bowl. Finally, the main dish. This rectangular plate is perfect for serving fish like salmon. Once you place the chopstick, your Japanese breakfast is complete. Plating beautifully and appreciating the visual experience is an essential part of Japanese cuisine. It naturally deepens your connection with the food and brings a sense of peace. Even if it's not every day, try making Ichiju Sansai your weekly reset ritual starting in January. So to support you, we have a special offer. If your New Year creation, your New Year resolution is to start eating healthy, we have created special set just for you. I hope you are excited. You can create a limited time ichijusasai set, which includes everything you need to create your own balanced meals at home. You will get to choose 1 soup bowl, 1 rice bowl, and 3 small plates out of our beautiful collections. And that's not all. I'm offering a 1-year free membership to help you continue your healthy cooking journey with me. You'll get access to exclusive video lectures, weekly meal plans, an exclusive community platform, and many more. And as a bonus, when you grab this set, you'll also get 2 live cooking sessions in January. A perfect way to learn how to make healthy, balanced Japanese meals, even if you're just getting started. This offer is limited to 10 people because I want to remember your name once you decide to join. So if that's something you are interested in, please check out the description box below. I'm waiting for you to join. Even if you are not getting a set, Miwa's Tableware is also having a New Year sale for December 27th to January 6th. All order will receive free shipping during the sales period, so I hope you will find your favorite. いいよ、好きなだけ食べ。お、柔らかい？
皮付きでいく？それじゃ。
どう？おいしい。おいしい？
マジで？
本当？2回目食べたい？うん。おお、じゃあ本当だ。味噌汁じゃないの。でも味噌の味。
うまい。
でも味薄めにしたの。
So
this is the last video from me this year. So I want to say thank you to all of you who has been following me, being with me this far. And I want to end this video with Japanese, which we say in New Year. So, which is 明けましておめでとうございます。今年もよろしくお願いします。It means just simply Happy New Year. It seems long, but you can say like this. So, see you in next year. Thank you. またね。